Hi first graders, this is Miss Santana. You probably know me from kinder, but I'm with you now in first grade. I'm very excited. Today I'm going to read you a very good book, and it's called Masked Ninja. It's going to explain to us why we're wearing all masks. Okay, this is by Mary Nin and illustrated by Yelena Stupar. Here we go. The Masked Ninja. Masks are surgical masks that doctors wear. It helps protect them by creating a barrier to viruses and bacteria. Barrier means to block. Many ninjas are wearing masks because of a virus going around, and I'm sure you guys already know that. Why are you wearing that? My mask protects me and you. Viruses can make you feel unwell. Bummer. Sometimes it can cause you to become very, very sick. The latest virus is causing everyone around the globe to fall sick. When this happens, it's called a pandemic. Pandemic. According to the CDC, Center for Disease Control, this virus began in Wuhan City, China. Wuhan City, China is here. Viruses are spread when someone coughs, sneezes, or comes too close in contact with a person infected with the virus or whoever has the virus. Okay? And yes, guys, these things can fly. Sickness comes in like a landslide, but goes out as slow as spinning silk. This is a popular Chinese saying, and it is similar to what is happening when there's a pandemic. All of a sudden, all these new viruses are spreading quickly, but treating, preventing, and containing it will be very slow and difficult. And we already know that because all of a sudden, all these people got sick, and it's taking us a long time to make sure that everyone is okay. Besides wearing a mask and keeping a safe distance, stay away from people, one way to prevent the spread of viruses is to wash your hands. And I hope you guys already know this. To do this correctly, though, it's good to wash often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Wash your hands. Wash them nice and clean. Scrub them here, scrub them there. Scrub them in between. That's a good one. And in science, we're going to talk about scrubbing your hands the right way. Another thing you can do is to keep your hands away from your face. From your face. On average, we touch our face more than 100 times a day. I did not know this. Oh, wait. That was one. That was two. Aw, man. I'm not doing very well. Sneezing into your elbow or a tissue shows respect for other people by protecting them from your germs. Excuse me. I also like to sneeze into my shirt. If you have a mask, do not lift your mask and sneeze into your thing. It's better to just sneeze into your mask. I like to do it in my shirt. Still doesn't spread anywhere else, just into my shirt. And remember to cover your mouth when you cough. It's best to cough into a tissue and then throw it away. But if you don't have one, using your upper sleeve is good. So like this. Cover up your coughs and sneezes. If you don't, you'll spread diseases. That kind of rhymes. There are lots of rumors on the internet about viruses that cause pandemics. You should only listen to your doctor, CDC, and the WHO. The WHO stands for World Health Organization. They are reliable sources of information about viruses. Those people actually did research, and you guys know what research is, about viruses, and they can give you real science information about it. So they're pretty smart. Some ninjas are teased for causing the virus. That's not very nice. We should always be kind and not blame others for what is happening, right? No bullying around. If you're experiencing harassment or bullying, you should report it to an adult. Bullying is never okay. That's true. No matter where you go, bullying is not okay. Excuse me, I have something to tell you. You should tell an adult if something like that is going on to you. We are all in this together, so it's important to be kind to each other. Remembering these tips could be your secret weapon. That's awesome. Against the spread of viruses and racism. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed the masked ninja, right? Everybody wears a mask right now, and we are all trying to stay safe at home and outside. All right, I hope you guys have a good one. Bye.